Well, he was surprised about some of our questions kasi marami kaming detalyang tinanong. Like there are many projects in this district, but not in the scale of the insertions that were asserted to by Saldico. No? Nowhere near those numbers. That's why I had to dig deeper. Tinanong ko sa kanya, baka naman may mga ibang agencies na nag-insert sa distrito nyo other than insertions sa DPWH. As he had only the information of DPWH for this afternoon. So, I don't know kung may mga... Kasi maaaring may mga state college doon, may hospital doon, may airport. So, baka may ibang naglagay doon sa distrito na hindi DPWH. Kaya baka malaki nga, but as far as DPWH, the numbers do not show the numbers that Saldico was asserting or saying, no? One-third lang of the numbers, no?
Si Sandro Marcos, may binigay bang dokumento? Kasi yung kinikwento nyo sa amin na sinabi sa inyo, I don't think hindi naman kailangan.
Meron 5 kahon. Yung mga NEP at saka submissions ng mga barangay na proving to us that ito yung mga hiningi sa akin. Other than this, all the others were already insertions, no? But sa akin ang mas importante, okay na, may insertion. Anong ginawa mo dun sa insertions? Saan mo ginamit? Nabantayan ba yon?